9 jaar gelede is 'n droom vir David McLaren bewaarheid. Hy het sy eie sirkus gekry en hy en sy sirkusmense het hulle vir die week in Bloemfontein kom tuismaak.
Elke dier op die sirkus het sy eie naam, eie persoonlikheid. En jy vat wat hulle doen natuurlijk, what they do naturally, and you work with that. Like, for example, tigers do different things than lions do. People don't know that tigers naturally play and fight on their hind legs. So you can do tricks and you can train them on that basis. You know, none of them are riding bicycles or scooters and stuff like that. People think that they stay inside these trailers their whole life and they don't get to do anything else but trailer or performance. 99% of the time, this is what the big cat has. Freedom to be himself, to do whatever he wants to do. You know, and they only perform 5 to 8 minutes a day. All of our lions and tigers are as natural as they are when they're born. They all have their claws, they all have their teeth. I mean, if you come to the circus and when they're sitting on the pedestals, the first thing people want to see is the lion with his teeth out, if you know what I mean.
Dis nie net die diere van die sirkus wat die nuuskierigheid prikkel nie, maar ook die mense met hulle toertjies en streke.
Jette, hoe het jy deel van die sirkus geraak?
Die sirkus was daar in Saldanha by toe. En die Michelle, dit sê my werk, heb jy chakalaka gesoek, dit sê my hier na toe gebring.
Kon jy nie ergens anders werk kry nie?
Nee, ek het bespaar gewerk, maar is nie lekker. Die goed is so hoog vir my, toe sê ek nee, ek wil nie meer haar werkie. Toe sê ek, die sirkus is gerecht vir my.
Sê jy geniet dit hierso?
Ja, baie lekker.
Toe my mamma te wees so uit 'n karavaan uit op die pad. So 'n bietjie vir ons vertel
Ja,
daarvan.
betekent dat het zo koud en sy my kry baie so jammer, maar wat kan ek doen?
Doen jy enige vertonings?
Nee, ek doen 'n clown ek.
Sorry.
'n clown.
Is dit lekker?
Dit is baie lekker, dan pak jy mense nie lag en. Beteken nou die mense van jou is so lekker, ja. Ek klomp jobs.
Langs die pad maar.
Ja, ek kry so mak, hulle was my wasgoed. Kom voor hulle kan my wasgoed. Hulle kry my so jammer dat ek my wasgoed doen, as voor hulle kan help.
Wat is vir die lekkerste van die sirkus vir jou?
Die show is die lekkerste vir my.
So hoe lank is jy al in die sirkus?
Al 8 maande.
Wat doen jy in die sirkus? Wat
Ek doen die Spanish web. Dis maar 'n tou wat so in sirkels gaan.
Ja, dit is awesome. Ek hoor jy hanteer slange of
Ja,
wat doen jy
ek doen slange ook. Maar ek stap net om die ring en dan doen ek foto's daarmee. Deur die halftyd.
Dan doen jy dit.
Maar nooit bang, niks.
Nee.
Ook nie bang as jy bo op daai tou klim.
Nee. Maar dit is vas. Ek is styf. Ek kan nie val nie. Ek kan eerder vassit.
I was born in Australia and raised on the road my whole life. Lived in a caravan and worked in the circus my whole life. The Wheel of Death, it's a apparatus which is a giant ring on a long arm, and it stands up about 8 meters in the air. You run around on the inside of the ring, jumping around.
It's very dangerous.
Extremely dangerous. There's been a lot of accidents. I had an accident 6 months ago. I was running around on the inside and I was jumping in, hit my head, became unconscious and fell outside of it, dislocated my shoulder, tore the ligaments and the muscles. But it was definitely a scary experience and it was very painful too. Screaming, they were videoing it and I was watching the video later on and I was screaming like a little girl.
Wat sou die sirkusmense noop om 'n lewe op die pad te kies? Dit mag dalk net die gesiggies en die reaksie van die kinders wees.